What was the question? Let me see. Okay, uyangizwa manje?
Hello?
Sakho, nisakhona?
Yes.
Nisakhona?
Yeah, we are just muted.
Oh, okay. Uh-huh. Let me start with the fundamentals. Okay, so into ebenza ukukhombisa ekuqaleni ukuthi usin 80 is equal to cos 60. Lokhu ungakuprova nge-calculator. If uyabuka le angle lena ilingana lo 30 lo ulingana no 90 minus le angle le eku 60. So ngaleyo ndlela le angle lela uma le in expression elana iyafana nokuthi iwu-sin 90 minus 60. Ngala kule side leli, let me remove this thing. Ngala kule side leli u-cos 60 uyafana no-90 minus le angle le eku-30. So le side leli ngala singalishintsha silenze libe u-cos ayiwo Asia's case, yes. Awuthi ngiqale phasi. Sin 8 uyalingana no-cos 60. Oh, so uma wenza i-reduction uyakhona ukuthi ushintshe le angle engaphakathi uyilinganise no-90 minus le angle le. Wait. Oh, minus le angle ngala. Yeah, minus le angle ngala. Not le. Isho bengekho ukuthi ngizochaza. Okay, so who are you? Othi ngiqale kabusha sengi-right you man. Okay, so usin 30 uyalingana no-cos 60. Lokhu kuya-apply kuwo wonke ama-angles as long as ku-90 minus leyo angle leyo. U-90 ushintsha i-ratio ewu-sin uyenze ibe-cos, ewu-cos uyenze ibe u-sin. Kade ngithi cofa kwi-calculator u-sin 30 no-cos 60 bengifuna ubone leyo nto leyo ukuthi ukuthi wait. U-sin 90 minus 8 uyashintsha abe ukushintsha lo 90 lo ushintsha i-sin izoba u-cos ebese-ke uwenze i-difference le ngaphakathi kube u-60 kanjalo-ke like before siyeke kule question yangempela bengifuna uqala u-understand le part le way understand manje.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. Sacela ungibizele i-question ngingena ukuvula ifoni ngibheke.
Inkinga ngiyibhala ngaphansi bese ngisayikhumbula kancane. 99.
Okay, hayi khuleka sengiyitholile. Ithi what? Yeah. Uyayibona kahle na?
ngiyayibona.
Okay. Sin alpha minus beta given there. Yes. Okay. So bekithi-ke mina istep siqala ongasenza uthi let x is equal to alpha minus beta kanje. Uyangithola?
Yes.
Okay, so sizothatha le given-ke le ebeku sin alpha minus beta siyenze ibe usin x. Usisa sonke la ngisho.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Ebese so ebese so wenza i-reduction like sin 90 minus x is equal to uyayithola leyo ne?
Yeah.
Okay, kuzoba u-cos x uma ngabe sowenze i-reduction. Then so uyabuya so
Okay, read.
cos. Oh, wait.
Ayisho uyabo ukuthi lapha uthi sin alpha minus beta is equal to sin x. And then
Yeah.
the next step uthi sin 90 minus x. So uye kuphi alpha
Funny?
alpha cause bekakhona on the step before.
Um,
Oh. Ukuchaza.
yeah. So what Sibo did here was say x is equal to alpha minus beta. This is meant to simplify the
Reduction.
problem. For example,
Oh.
on algebra, I'm not sure if you have done this before, but do you know of the K method where they give you like x with an exponent which is very big, so you have to reduce it to the K method so that you're able to solve it with it being K, and then at the end you substitute x back. So same with here, x is equal to alpha minus beta. So here we wrote sin 90 minus x is the same as you would have written 90 minus and then in brackets alpha minus beta, because alpha minus beta is equal to x. I'm not.
Yeah,
Oh,
I get it.
uyang-understand manje like ukuthi ngifike kanjani la sengikhona.
Yes.
Okay, so ebese-ke manje usuyibuyisela kule initial condition like usowubuyisela la u-x manje soyamthatha uyambuyisela uzomenza abu alpha minus beta. Uyang-understand?
Yeah.
Like sesithatha lento njengekanje u-x uma ilingana no-alpha minus beta shuthi u-alpha minus beta ulingana no-x like into efanayo kanjalo. Uma ngabe seyinjena-ke sesikule step lesi songenza i-reduction yakho-ke yini ama-compound angles wakho-ke ngendlela ojwayele ngayo like cos alpha minus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta yeah minus into kanjeni ungicorrect kade ngawagcina kade ngayigcina le trigonometry. Uyangi-understand? Uya-understand ukuthi sesifike kanjani lana?
Yeah, yeah, understand.
Yeah. So kulawa ama-screenshots wakho obuwasendile ama-answers benze lento le basically. Ukukuthi batha nje ukuyenza yaba complicated angazi ukuthi kanjani kodwa ilento nje le uma ngabe uyayi-simplify like okanye this is another way.
I would like to disagree.
Serious?
Isayini iyashintsha cause
Yes, okay, cause
Wait.
the sign was gonna change, so you're working
For
with
course, yeah. Yeah, the reduction for course, it's only the sign that changes, right?
yes, but then can you go back to the sine 90 minus x?
Wait. Manje, like, wait, is the answer wrong or is the method wrong? Let's fix that one first. Or for sign, like, or for sign
That sounds like-
ratio.
Yes, you're not supposed to use the. Actually, here you're not turning sine into cos. It's like you're turning
What?
cos into sine. That's how they did it. They didn't turn sine into cos. They changed cos into sine, despite being given sine. I'm not sure if you understand.
Using reduction.
Yeah. So what they did was cos 90 minus x is equal to sine x. That's how they did it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wait. But like, for the memo you sent, like, was it for this question or was it just a memo for proofs, for random proofs? Like, I think the question requires us to do this, not the one that we are saying. Like, it's like a vice versa. Only we are saying I must use this equation.
Yeah, that's why I also stopped when I was working it out. Because normally, yes, we would do it the way that you're doing it here. But Bona, they swapped it and made it the other way around. They were changing cos into sine instead of sine into cos.
Oh, okay. So, well, I think this is not the memo to this question. It's just a, what do they say? It's just a note or some.
Trust me, it is. Can you erase until let alpha minus beta equal to x? Can you erase and then write sine x is equal to
Okay. What should I write?
sine x.
Oh. Sine x.
Yeah, is equal to cos 90 minus x. Then work with that.
Okay. It's just like go back to sine x.
Yeah, that's what they did. They are going back to sine x, but don't simplify it. Now replace that x with the alpha minus beta. And then simplify in and solve it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I think I see what.
Which is crazy to me. Why would they do that?
Yeah, like they're just going around. Uh, like this rotation. Am I still on track? Is that called?
Yes.
Hello? Oh, when we are
Okay.
season. Hmm?
I forgot I was muted. Ish. I've been
Okay,
speaking
okay.
alone.
Yeah, yeah. Uh, like- oh, were you saying like this, Lutrish?
Yeah, ile nto abayenzile ke mem.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, so I think if you can master the reduction angles, you can basically understand this thing. I would like.
Okay.
Can you now explain why why
Oh,
the
should
way
I
we
take you?
did it the first time was wrong? Okay, it's not wrong, but it was not what we wanted.
Okay, okay. Also, like, should I take you step by step when Sami, or should I basically explain the reduction angles
Step by step.
equation? Okay, okay. Also, uh, ngizokubuyisela kuleya example leya before yokuthi u sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus 30. So yeah, yeah, this works for sin y is equal to cos 90 minus y. Like I'm giving you this one because you can prove it using the calculator. Ne? Okay, so now let's get to let's get to work, the real work. Okay, okay. So on this first step, I did sin x is equal to cos 90 minus x, which is basically this thing. Like it's like this is an identity or a law. Like I'm using it lana. Or then yang sisihambisana sonke like for this first step.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah, then after using this rule ke ngibuyisela u-x esikhundleni sakhe. Hey, let me change the color. Now manje sengi-substitute u-x ngu-alpha minus beta again. Ngendlela bekuyiyona vele ekuqaleni uyangi-understanda manje?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And then ngi-isolate u-beta. Oh, for le steps sesithathu ngi-isolate u-beta oh eyane othi oh, this thing is basically equal to cos 90 and then ngimultiplya ngo-minus kwi-bracket like uma ngimultiplya ngo-minus le first value kuzoba u-minus alpha. If ngimultiplya ngo-minus the second value kuzoba u-plus beta. Uya-understanda le step engiseqile ne?
Yeah.
Yeah. and then ebese ngi-isolate lezi zombili okube ngathi ama-angles awu-2. So like even if manje ngingathi maybe u-y ngizosuke ngiyi-complicate esikhundleni angabe ngiyayi-simplify. Okay, yeah, ngisimplify lezi zinto kube sengathi ama-angles awu-2 ahlukene.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then loko ngikwenza kule step ke lokho isolator. Yeah, step esisodwa lesi. Then ebese sengisebenzisa ama-compound angles eka-cos like eka-cos uyazi angithi vele ukuthi isebenza kanjani. Like for u-cos the way engangiyikhumbula ngakhona e-high school ukuthi for cos ama-trig ratios akashintshi, usin nosin kube u-cos kushintsha le sign engaphakathi kushintsha lokhu kuphela like if u-cos i-trig ratio nayo for i-compound angle. Uyayi-understanda leyo?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then shuthi-ke uzoba no-cos ne-angle yokuqala le angle yokuqala iwu-90 minus alpha. So sithatha le angle sikuthatha lokhu as if kuyi-angle eyodwa esolid sikulethe lana ngezansi ebese sithathe nale yesibini like u-cos 90 minus alpha u-cos beta minus njengabe ngishilo ukuthi u-cos i-sin ama-trig ratios akashintshi kushintsha i-sin kuphela, then kube usin ngala sin 90 minus alpha times sin beta. Sisasonke ne uyangi-understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then-ke bese sisebenzisa i-reduction again kule final step. U-cos 90 minus x is equal to sin x. So mangabe senze reduction sithatha le u-90 ushintsha i-trig ratio like if kade iwu-cos izoba u-sin, if kade iwu-sin izoba u-cos. So sishintsha i-trig ratio bese sigcine le sign injengoba injalo. So lo u-cos 90 minus x uzolingana no-sin x njengoba sengenzile-ke lana u-cos 90 minus alpha ulingana no-sin alpha. Uyangi-understanda lapho?
Yeah.
So sino-sin alpha times cos beta-ke manje minus cos alpha times sin beta njengoba benzile kwimemo. U-understandile noma mhlawumbe angichazanga kahle?
No, yeah, understand.
Yeah. Utrisha usakhona?
Yebo, yes.
Okay. Also senwashayile noma like into ithini from manje uzoqhubeka usenda ama-questions noma sami uzokwenza njani?
No, angithi bekaqedile uku-explain ama-compound angles. So ngingabuza i-question and then uzoqhubeka explain.
Ama-compound angles ne? Okay. Ngiya-stop ukusharisha i-screen. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngike ngayenza i-video before yama-reduction angles. If u-check-a ku-YouTube uzoyithola ukuthi if kade ku-plus sign ube ku-90 plus alpha bekuzoba kanjani, u-180 minus x kwenzakalani like i-reduction ayigcini ngo-90 minus alpha kuphela.
Okay. Ngizoyi-check.
Yeah. So okay, sure.
Okay, you guys spoke in Zulu and me, I don't understand Zulu. What did you conclude?
I'm telling you what I've done a video before of reduction angles. What happens if it's 90 plus? the 180 minus x, like how does the reduction work? So she can just check it out.
Oh, not that one. Something about like how we're supposed to continue. I just did compound angles questions.
Oh, okay. Like how we're supposed to continue. So now I think she said you were explaining the thing in the compound angles. So she's expecting you to go further and explain the other things. What is it? Is it double angles
Yes.
and identity? Yeah, it's identity. Yeah.
Okay. Also about that, like we didn't discuss the time. Like we're attending from what time till what time, and also this was the first lesson. So just to get where she is. So what time are we supposed to end? Before I continue.
I don't know. Anytime.
Okay.
Are you free tomorrow?
What?
Are you free tomorrow?
And yeah. Yes, I am.
From what time?
Same time.
Okay. So what we're gonna do from now on, we'll attend on Fridays and then also Saturdays. And then this was just the beginning. I didn't know how far you were. So now you're gonna have to tell me so that I prepare properly so that we focus on things that matter most. Because yeah, we also don't have time. Very soon you guys are gonna be writing. Is it trials, right?
Yes. No,
Yes.
it's usually what's this? Preparatory exams.
Yeah, that thing. So you're gonna be writing that. So it means we need to move fast. So okay, now you tell me what you want me to explain next. But then I also prefer that you send the topics that you want us to cover on the WhatsApp group so that I look into them and then also avoid this thing of having to spend more time checking, confirming, and all that stuff. Do you understand?
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
yeah. Or you can also send the questions that you want us to do prior to the lesson so that we can learn how to explain them.
Okay.
Okay, yes. We can just do one more topic and then call it a day. And then tomorrow I'll communicate on the group. But then it will have to be earlier on the day because yeah, from 5 I won't be available.
Thing is, tomorrow I'm going to school.
Oh, until what time?
Until 2. Yes. Until 2.
Oh, I have somewhere to go tomorrow, so I'm guessing and then during the week, how is your schedule? Like what time do you knock off at school?
Um, 4:30, and then on Tuesdays it's 5.
Okay, so I'm assuming you're at home from 6.
Yes.
Okay. I'll see where
And
to
then
fit in my.
I
Yeah.
have an online class. At 9, I have an online class.
Okay. Mm, all right. Let's just do the next topic, and then we'll see what to do.
Okay.
I'm guessing I should scratch this. I forgot. Okay. So. Delete this later. So should we still continue with the compound angles, or you finally have an understanding of how to do them?
Yeah, I do understand compound angles now. Can we do double angles again, please?
Okay. Okay, so double angles, that's gonna be like multiply the angle by 2. Okay, I haven't opened the question paper, so I don't remember if these things are given in the formula sheet or you have to memorize them. Are they given?
Okay, let me check. Yeah, they are.
Okay, that's better. That's good news for us. Okay, so we know this one of sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. And then we also have for cos 2 theta. Here we have 3 of them. The first one being cos squared theta. So minus here, right? Sine squared theta. I don't want to write wrong things because now I'm writing from memory. I'm not referring to anything. But this is how I remember it as. However, I will confirm. And then also have is it 2 cos squared theta minus 1. It's better if I check.
Size of the Amazon rainforest. They hunt. And what we are looking at now is barely a fraction of it. A tiny corner of something far bigger than most people realize.
Oh, yes, it is. And then also have one with the sign, which is
Almost the entire continent. It stretches across 9 different countries. Brazil holds the majority.
so since you're saying that these are there in the formula sheets, it means you don't need to memorize it. Yeah, I remember having to memorize it. I'm not going easy on you guys. Okay, I really don't know what to explain about this because they're just here and then you just have to use them when you're given a question and apply it on the question. And maybe if you can get a proving question and then see how to apply these. But these are just the matter. It's like you being told that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1, or sine theta over cos theta is equal to tan theta. You just have to know this so that when you come across it in a question somewhere where you need to simplify, you're able to substitute these things in the place of the double angles and then solve the question. So we'll work on an example. Okay, prove that sine theta plus sine 2 theta over 1 plus cos theta plus cos 2 theta is equal to tan theta. Okay.
Far bigger than most people realize. The Amazon covers over 5.5 million square kilometers. If you laid it on top of a map of Europe, it would cover almost the entire continent. It stretches across 9 different countries.
Okay, when you look at the cos theta, as we discussed earlier on here, you can see it has 3 identities. So yeah, it's always important to know which one you have to choose from these. Yeah, and the best way to be able to know is if you have simplified the rest, and then like this one is the last one that you have to simplify and be able to choose so that you make the problem more simple. You'll see it as you work through the problem. So with the numerator, since for sine 2 theta we only have one identity, we're gonna jump straight into it. Sine theta plus, it's gonna be 2 sine theta cos theta. Okay, sorry. Okay, and it's a proving problem, so we're gonna say left hand side is equal to, yeah, and then continue. Sine theta plus, we know sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta over, and then 1 plus cos theta plus cos 2 theta. Notice how I haven't changed it. I know most of the times you'll be tempted to change the double angle right away, but then when it's with cos, I suggest you wait a little bit and see where it takes you. So here at the numerator, we can see that we have sine on both sides, so we're gonna factor out the sine. So it's going to be sine theta, and then here it's going to be 1 plus 2 cos theta. Then 1 plus cos theta plus. Okay, so now we sort of have some light as to what's here. And then also, we know tan theta is made of sine theta over cos theta. So our goal here would be to simplify this thing until we end up with this, so that it can become tan theta. So we can see 2 cos theta here, which means when we change this cos 2 theta, we want something that can lead us to having this so that we can cancel it, the top and the bottom, and then yeah, be left with sine theta over cos theta. So when we go back to our identities, we have the cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. I wouldn't choose that one because we are not looking to cancel like a sine at the top and at the bottom. So yeah, I'll skip that. And then there's also this one at the bottom. It's a 2 sine. That's also not ideal. So we're gonna take this one with the cos. So that's what we're gonna substitute. So it's gonna be 2 cos squared minus 1. And then yeah, we're able to cancel these out, a positive 1 and a negative 1. And then at the top we still have this, doesn't need any further simplification over. And then we see a similar situation here. this, and this. So we're gonna factor out cos theta, and then we're gonna be left with 1 plus 2 cos theta, and then these are gonna cancel out because they are the same, and notice here there is no addition or subtraction signs, they all multiply, so we are allowed to cancel when it's like that. So we're gonna be left with sine theta over cos theta, which is equal to tan theta, which is equal to the right hand side. So that's how we use double angles. Were you able to understand everything? Any
Yes.
questions? Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. Were you able to understand how to choose the right identity for the double angle of cos?
Yes. But in some other questions, kind of confusing, especially in general solution.
Okay, can I get the question? Like, you mean like choosing, or when the question is there, like simplifying?
Yes, like they usually give you a sine and a cos, so you have to choose whether you change cos or you change sine.
Are you still referring to double angles, or?
Yeah, I do understand what you're explaining.
Yes.
No, I was just adding on what where I get confused.
Yes, I'm trying to understand what you're saying. So you're saying sometimes you have to move from maybe like cos 2 theta to sine.
Yes, usually in general solution, but I'll send the questions when I get confused.
Okay. Is there anything else you'd like for us to discuss? Or is this
They
the
also
question?
have to be proven.
Okay, so you want us to work on this one?
Yes, please.
Okay, no problem. So you're required to prove that 2 sine 2x over cos 2x plus 1 is equal to tan x. So here we have a similar situation. We know tan x is made of, let me just, no, I made it a different color. We know tan x is made of sine x over cos x. So that's our goal. So and then the first thing, we're gonna change the one with the double angle of sine, because it's only one, there's no other way. So it's gonna be 2 sine x cos x over, and then we still don't change this one. Let's just simplify the top first to avoid confusion, and then we're gonna end up with 8. Doing this, okay. 4 sin x cos x.
I think on the denominator you should change cos 2x to cos squared. x minus sine squared x.
Why?
Yeah, then 1 to sine squared x plus cos squared x. Then the sine will cancel the cos. Wait, what? Yeah, but
Okay. Like, okay, our goal is to get rid of the cos x at the top. So that will remain with the sine x.
yeah, cos 2x to cos squared x minus sine squared x. Then 1 to sine squared x plus cos squared x.
Wait, let me write all of them down. Then also have this one cos 2x. This one also have 1 minus. So you're saying we should choose which one?
Yeah, then 1 to sine squared x plus cos squared x. Sine will cancel sine. Then cos squared x will be 2 cos squared x.
You're choosing this one.
No, the cos squared x one minus sine squared x. Cos squared x minus sine squared x. Yeah, that one.
Okay. Squared x minus sine squared x plus 1.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, change 1 to sine squared x plus cos squared x. So sine squared will cancel sine squared.
You're saying now we must use this one.
I was saying keep that one, but change 1 to sine
Oh.
squared plus cos squared.
Okay.
Omara.
There's also
Yeah, cos.
nothing wrong with
Let me
trying.
just call it out for you. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, call it out for me. Wait, let me
Yeah.
force.
Yeah. Plus sine squared x. No, change 1. You can just erase 1 there and put sine squared plus cos squared.
Okay, so I'm changing.
1 on the
Let me see.
denominator.
No, I just want to show where it's coming from. Is equal to 1. So
Oh, okay.
yeah, plus sine squared x plus cos squared x. Sorry, I forgot to put an x here. Okay, and then okay, and then I can let me just scroll up a bit. And then I cancel this.
Yeah, sine squared and sine squared.
Okay. And then have 4 sine x cos x over 2 cos squared x. And then
Yeah, then 4 divided by 2, then cos. Yeah, like I get 2 tan x. I think they kind of made a mistake over. Like, there's no way that 2 tan x is equal to. Like, there's no changing it from there. I'm not sure if you understand.
wait, let's see it first. Oh yeah, I understand what you're saying.
Yeah, unless if we equate the two, then we transpose 0.5. That way, like they can be 1.5, 1.5.
Please don't do university math, please. I'm begging you.
No, it's not. I got yeah. There's no way, foot. There's no way.
Okay, fine. This one didn't work, but that doesn't mean we must give up. I mean, there's 3 identities. So, okay,
I mean, I
so
think they made a mistake or something. Goba. Like, there's no way like we didn't make any fundamental mistake here.
no,
Like, yeah,
yeah. Yeah, no, I'm
So
agreeing with you.
uh,
I'm agreeing with you fully. Because even if I do this one, 2 cos squared minus 1 plus 1. So these two are gonna cancel. Yeah, it's still gonna give us the same thing.
yeah.
I mean, 2 10x. Okay, yeah. But why would they make such a huge mistake?
Hey, and I don't know. Maybe they didn't think it through.
Yeah, they probably didn't check because no matter what identity you use, you still get 2 10x.
Yeah.
Okay, do you understand what we did here?
Yes, I
Um,
do.
Yeah, I hope you're
Well,
not lost. Okay, yeah, there's definitely a mistake.
yeah.
okay.
Yeah, because if the answer was supposed to be 10x, it means the 2 on the numerator was not supposed to be there. It was supposed to be just sine 2x.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I get it.
Yeah, so yes, and I'm sure you have noticed 2 identities were able to work here because we wanted to cancel cos out and both of them had cos.
Okay, so actually the aim here was to get sine in the numerator and plus in the denominator.
Yes, because they told us the answer is 10x, but we also know 10x is sine x over cos x.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're working towards that. But sometimes they can just ask you to prove that it's cos x. I just have to look sure that.
Sorry, can you please repeat that?
And sometimes they can. I'll just write it.
I can't hear you.
Sure. Oh, Lutricia, are you there? Lutricia?
This network problem is.
Let's wait for her. Oh, please unmute your mic. It's not unmuted. Okay, now, Lutricia.
as we take